Welcome back to your English class. This is Mahesh sir. In this class, students, we are going to discuss some question and answers from poem number 5, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Yes, in the previous class, we discussed 4 questions only. Okay, and I sent you one worksheet in the Google Classroom. I know you all have found that, okay, and hope you all written this in your notebook. So in this class, we are going to start some new questions from page number 75. Just check it out. As you can see in the screen, question number 5. Are these sentences true or false? Are these sentences true or false? Okay. So, students, here I would suggest you just revise, just learn and read the first question, second, third, and fourth. Okay, I am not wasting your time. Just I am reading the question as well as the answer. Just listen carefully. After the fourth question, we will take a fifth question. Okay, listen everybody. First question is there on page number 75. What is the poem about? The poem tells about the darkness and how we. Yes, Swayash? Swayash, can you hear me? Swayash, unmute your
Yes,
device.
sir.
Tell me the answer of first question. What is the poem about? I think we have written the answer there.
Good morning, sir. The poem tells about the fear of darkness and how to
Overcome.
overcome that.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now next is Raghav Singh. Raghav Singh,
सर कौन सा है क्वेश्चन?
second question, what happens when the day is over?
The sun downs and rests over the day is over.
Very good, very good. What does the earth do when the day is over? The earth takes rest when the day is over. Very good. Now we have third question. Yes, I think our third question is already done. Raghav, please come again, beta. The answer of the second question, what happens when the day is over?
The earth rests when the day is over.
Okay, let me take another one. Gunjan. Gunjan, tell me the answer of second question. Gunjan, I think she is not replying properly. Next is on the screen, I can see here, Manasvi Parmar. Manasvi Parmar, please unmute your device and tell me the answer of second question. What we have written in the notebook, Manasvi?
Good morning, sir.
Manasvi Parmar,
Yes, sir.
tell me the answer of second question. What happens when the day is over? What happens?
Good morning, sir.
राघव ने बताया थर्ड का आंसर. What does the earth do when the day is over? Second question is that what happens when the day is over? Night comes when the day is over. Okay. Third question, what does the earth do when the day is over. As here Raghav Singh said that the earth takes rest when the day is over. Fourth question, what does the poet want us to do at night? The poet wants us to think about our friends at night. पोएट क्या चाहता है हम क्या करें रात को? हम अपने दोस्तों के बारे में सोचे, है ना?
सर पर आपने तो ये लिखवाया था व्हाट हैपेंस द डे इज ओवर का व्हेन द डे इज ओवर द मून एंड द स्टार्स शाइन इन द नाइट, ये लिखवाया था आपने तो।
थर्ड का क्या लिखा है? व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन राघव?
द अर्थ रेस्ट्स व्हेन द डे इज ओवर। सर मैं सेकंड वाले की बात कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ बेटा, हाँ वही वही है, नाइट कम्स एंड द मून एंड द स्टार शाइनिंग एट द नाइट. ओके,
क्लास के ना फिर और बच्चे पढ़ेंगे तो अच्छे बन जाएंगे ना बच्चे, तो तुम अपनी थर्ड में दोबारा से डाल कैसे?
Madhavi, mute your device. Yes. Now, students, we are starting from question number 5. True or false? Question number 5. True or false? First question is there. As you can see, the poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. Is this answer true or false? Tell me.
सर
The poet,
False. Sir, false.
the poet says
Sir, false.
yes. एक बच्चा एक बार ही बोलेगा. Please don't disturb. Speak only one time. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. This sentence is false because poem itself says that don't be afraid of the dark. Poem itself says, poem का title ही, what is the title of our poem? Don't be afraid of the dark. Dark से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है और डरो मत. So this sentence is false. So let's take another one. We have the second one. The poet says that the poet says that stars will always shine at night. The poet says that stars will always shine at night.
Sir, true.
Very good. The poet says that stars shine at night. This sentence is true. Very good. Okay. Now the third sentence is the poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. The poet tells the child to think Tell me this. The poet tells
True.
the poet
True.
tells the child
True.
things after
True.
True. True.
yes. At the last, in the second stanza, the poet says that when it is dark, just think about your friends. So this sentence is true.
True.
This sentence is true. Write fastly. Okay, very good, Diksha, Ritik, Divyanshu.
Done, sir.
Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't disturb, don't disturb. I am giving you 2 minutes for this. Write fastly.
Sir, side please.
Yes. As you can see on the board, the question number 5 we are discussing here. True or false? The poet, first is the poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. Yes, it is false. Second is the poet says that stars will always shine at night. True. Third one is the poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. Yes, this sentence is also true. Shall I rub this?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have done. No, yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, first question I am going to rub. Okay. And then second also. Shall I rub? Second.
No, sir.
Hiren Verma.
Yes,
Just
sir.
open your book. In book, you can find the second answer or second question, and you can write the answer as well. Okay. अगर 3 क्वेश्चंस के लिए हम इतना टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे, अब देखिए 10 मिनट्स हो गए हमारे. We have consumed 10 minutes. So write as fast as you can. Shall I rub this second one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Now
Yes, sir.
we will discuss here the next question, which is word building. As you can see, word building. Word, W-O-R-D, building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, word building. Okay, so what we have to do actually, there are two different words are given, moon plus light. We have to make only one
Sir,
word, two words. Okay.
moonlight.
Plus light, it is
Moonlight.
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 Yes, very good. Now another one is there, breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break plus fast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast, very good. Breakfast. I think this type of question you must have learned in the third class.
Yes, sir. News or paper.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, in the third class, the single word is given and there said that make two different words from one word. Here the question is different. Make a single word from the two words. Okay? So nothing is different. Just the difference between question only. Third word is there, good plus night. Good.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
It is good night. Very good.
Side, please.
After this, I am going to rub this third one. After this, we have day break. Day plus break.
Daybreak. Daybreak.
Day break.
Break.
Day break. After this, we have water plus fall.
Waterfall.
Very good. Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Now let me see. Oh wow, there are 64 students are present. Vaishnavi Yadav, unmute your device. Vaishnavi Yadav, unmute your device. Vaishnavi Yadav, can you hear me?
Vaishnavi Yadav. Sir.
Okay. She is not responding. Next is on the screen. I can see here. Lavesh Ahir. Lavesh Ahir. Unmute your device.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about this rain plus bow.
Rainbow. Rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Sir, rainbow.
Okay. Lavesh, tell me the spelling of rainbow.
Sir, side please.
I am asking to Lavesh. Lavesh Ahir.
Alright. मैं बताऊं. Then.
Tell me the spelling of rainbow.
Sir, side please. Sir, side please.
Ananya Meena, open your book. You can find the question in your book.
Okay, sir.
आपके पास बुक है अनन्या?
Yes, sir.
तो बुक से क्वेश्चन देख लो.
BAW.
Lavesh, I am asking to you that the spelling of rainbow, rain, R-A-I-N,
Sir.
bow, B-O-W. Okay? Yes. Now students, you can see on the board. We have completed the next question, which is word building.
Not done, sir.
I'm just adding some extra words here, just like every plus where.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Sir, everywhere. Everywhere. Everywhere.
Someone said that sir is everywhere. Sir everywhere. Sir everywhere है. Sir everywhere है. हर जगह है. नहीं. Only in school. Only in online class. Sir will be available. After the class also, sir will be available to you. Okay. So don't worry about that. So just talk about every plus where. It is everywhere. Now another word I will write here. No plus where.
Nowhere.
Where.
Nowhere.
Right now, no one is said that. Sir, nowhere. Okay. It is quite funny. Yes. No plus where. It is nowhere. Now another word is. Shall I write here? No plus body or body.
Nobody.
Nobody. Very good. Nobody. Students, let me tell you, we are joining two different words to make a single word. Okay, so keep this in your mind. We are joining two different words to make a new word. Moon is another word, light is other word. So from these two different words, we have wrote here.
For plus heaven forever.
Yes. Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Rough it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर मेरा रैम्बो की बात नहीं हुआ.
सर वो नीचे वाला हमको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
All is visible, beta. Now. Yes. Now, after this, we have another question about opposite word. The question is find a word in the poem which is the opposite of. Which is the opposite of. We all know what is the meaning of opposite. Opposite means in Hindi ulta. Opposite यानी उल्टा है ना. Opposite meaning, opposite word. So shall I rub these words?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर नीचे का रफ कर दो.
Shall I rub all these words?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good, very good. Now your writing speed is increasing. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now just talk about the opposite word of war.
Peace.
और
Peace. war यानी युद्ध, जंग. और जंग जब छिड़ती है तो पूरी शांतता जो है, पीस जो है वो खत्म हो जाती है. तो what is the opposite word of war? It is peace. Now here I can see Vinit Dibak Gedam. Unmute your device. Tell me the spelling of peace.
P-E-A-C. P-E-A-C-A-C-E.
Yes.
P-E-A-C-E. P-E-A-C-E.
Okay. No, don't disturb here. Just take on the board war, peace. We have to write opposite words from the poem only. जो poem में दिए गए हैं, the already some words are mentioned in the poem. We have to write that words which is opposite to these words. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Read the question carefully. Find a word in the poem which is the opposite of. The question is itself says that find a word from the poem. Poem से ही लिखने हैं हमें. Okay. After this, enemies.
Friends.
Friend.
Yes. E-M-I-E-S. Friends. 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 Now here, only if it is there only enemy, then we will write here friend. But the plural is given enemies. So we have written here friends. Enemies, friends.
सर एनिमी मतलब होता है दुश्मन.
Yes, enemies का वो मतलब है दुश्मन. And what is the opposite word is mentioned in the poem? It is friends. Okay, the next is gentle.
Unkind.
Gentle यानी नाजुक. Gentle यानी नाजुक.
मतलब हार्ड है बहुत वो कुछ चीज.
Not hard. It is harsh. Harsh. Ritik Yadav. Okay. Gentle, harsh. Gentle, harsh. After this, light.
Dark.
Light, dark. Very good.
Dark.
अब यहाँ पे कुछ बच्चे ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं लाइट, हेवी. But which word is mentioned in the poem? The word is mentioned in the poem. It is dark, which is opposite to light. So light, dark. Another is night. N-I-G. Day. Very good. Very good.
आती है सीधा बोला बंदा है माँ क्यों याद आती है.
After this, star.
Top. Sir, moon. Sir, finish.
Listen. Nobody will disturb.
Sir, CESE.
Listen. Nobody will disturb. Nobody will disturb. You can find from the poem, you can find from the book yourself the opposite of start. The word is already given in your book.
Sir,
Yes.
done.
Very good. What is the opposite of start?
Sir, keys. CEASE, keys.
Sir, CEASE.
सर गलत है.
CEASE.
Yes.
नंबर क्या है?
Who is asking me this? Kanaiyalal Regar. As you can see here, I have written page number 75. It means you are not attending the class carefully.
Slide please. सर पेज नंबर क्या है?
75.
Done sir.
Yes. The opposite of start is cease. Cease. The meaning of cease is to come to an end. Okay. So opposite of start is cease. 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 अगर यहाँ पे ये वर्ड नहीं होता in the poem, then we can write here opposite of start is end. But actually, the word cease is mentioned in the poem, so we'll write here cease, which is opposite to start. Start यानी शुरू होना, cease means to an end.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Done, sir.
Now
Done,
let us
sir.
take another question.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes. Next question is from page number 76. Question is write full forms. Write full forms of the following words. Write full form of the following words. As you can see, some examples are already given. Don't. Don't. We pronounce it don't. It means
Do not.
do not.
Do not.
It means do not.
Do not.
Another word is also there. Won't.
Will
So
not.
just I am putting a star in front of this.
Not.
Won't. Won't means will not.
Will not.
Will not.
Most of the students confused about this word. So keep this in your mind. Won't. The full form of won't is will not. Okay. So just check it out. Another one. It is didn't.
Did not. Did not.
Did not.
Did not. Did not.
Yes.
Did not.
Shouldn't.
Should not. Should not.
Should not.
Should not.
Should not.
हाँ मिला तू कौन
After this, wouldn't.
Would not. Would not. Would not.
Would not.
एक बार दिया था इसी आता
After this, couldn't.
Could not.
Very good. Very good. Could not.
Must not.
After this, mustn't.
Must not. Must not. Must not.
Must not. After this, some words I am adding here. Aren't.
Right, please, sir.
Aren't. It is are not.
Sir.
Just check it out. Aren't. It is are not.
Are not.
Isn't. It is
Not.
is not. Wasn't.
Perfect.
Was not.
Was not.
Sir, please, sir.
Doesn't.
Does not. Does not.
Does not.
Does not. Done, sir.
Shan't.
Third side, please.
Shan't means shall not.
Shall not.
After this, weren't,
Sir, mic बंद करो.
were not, दिव्यांशु, क्या आप लिख रहे हो दिव्यांशु?
सर, भूमिका का माइक म्यूट कराइए.
Priyanshi, mute your device. Please, I request you all, mute your devices. Don't disturb in between. As you can see on the board, we have written full forms of the words. First word is don't, do not, won't, will not, didn't, did not, shouldn't, should not, wouldn't, would not, couldn't, could not, mustn't, must not, aren't, are not, isn't, is not, wasn't, was not, doesn't, does not, shan't, shall not, weren't, were not.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
सर मेरा नहीं हुआ.
सर, मेरा नहीं हुआ.
So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this class and understood all this which we discussed here. Okay, students.